Yo, YouTubers. Yo, YouTubers. This is a breakthrough for all buskers. This is like the busking revolution. Well, buskers revelation. I've got me. You can hear a fan in the background. Ignore the sound. I'll show you what that is in a minute. But anyway, I've been doing like research, like looking into free energy and things like that, haven't I? Right. Free hot water, free make my own showers and things like that. The sunlight behind me is doing me head. But anyway, there's my busking amp. Right, guys. You can buy these online. They're quite cheap, right? The busking amp, right? And I've customised it. You see, I've put wheels on it. And like supports there, see the legs, so like it can roll it, but it'll stand up. But the big wheels, see, so because it makes it easier to, and you can go anywhere with them. You know what I mean? You can take them on coaches or trains or whatever, like. But they wheel around, if you get me, like, right. But anyway, I opened it up and got the battery out of it, right? Because it's a rechargeable battery. This is the science I've been doing on behalf of all buskers, right? Free energy, guys, right? Listen to me. Opened it up, got to the battery inside. Obviously its mains it can work off the mains as well, but it's got a rechargeable battery, and the battery lasts about 8 hours. It's a good, like, and remember, it's on wheels, so you don't have to carry it. Do you get me? Like, the whole point of the weight thing, right? So anyway, when we opened it up, inside it was this thing, one of these motorbike batteries, 12 volts, believe it or not, right? That's all you need, guys. I mean, that's like I think that's over 100 watts, that thing, right? It's supposed to be, but it's loud, you know what I mean? And it works like a disco and all that. You can use it for raving and things like that, basically. You put your own tracks on, it's loud in the park, battery operated or whatever, right? But that battery there is a 12 volt motorcycle battery, what they use for the lights and things like that on motorcycles, or the start and the ignition and things, right? So anyway, I've worked out 12 volts. I can take that busk machine. I've got pedals that I can use with a solar panel, right? I can charge me pedals with a solar panel using these little lithium battery things, right? So I've sussed out that all my pedals are solar chargeable, right? I've got a solar panel which is portable. Basically, what I'm trying to find out is, can I power these busking amps from sunlight? You're on the move, you're touring, you've got your tent or whatever, you're camping or whatever, and you don't want to have to plug in anywhere, and every time you've got a bit of a break early in the morning, you charge up your battery, and it's only 12 volts, remember, right? Well, that's like a good 8 hours. I mean, think of it from a business perspective if you're a street entertainer. So anyway, look, this is connected up. I'm charging this now. This is where history is being made at the moment. That's what the noise is. I'm experimenting with charging from solar, right? And this thing, I bought this thing online, which is crap, basically, like, you know what I mean? It's one of the cheapest MPT control or whatever. Right, and you see the battery indicator there, that's actually charging this battery, this motorcycle battery, which is, for me busking amplifier. That's being charged, and you see there's leads going off there, going up there, right? See the lead up there, go through a hole out the window. And look at the length of the cable, guys. It's all see, it's gone tied up along here, right? And it's all leading to here. It goes down here, look. There you go. see you've got a solar panel, right? See the leads, plus and minus, plus and minus. These are waterproof solar panels. Okay, look at that cable going all along there through my window. Look, it's not even sunny. It's only you know, it's not even sunny, right? But that solar panel is about 80 quid online, right? About £80 for that, right? It's a flat plastic thing, you just tie it to the fence, you know what I mean? Right, so that's 100 watts solar panel, right? 100 watts, which gives out roughly about 20 volts of energy. 20 volts of energy, roughly 21 at the most. 21 volts of energy comes from that. Goes through that, goes along all that wire, all that cable, going right along there, into this controller, which is the cheapest one you can find online. The cheapest one you can find online, right guys. 100 watt solar panel, about 21 volts. At the moment it's pushing, look, 13 volts. It's not even sunny, guys. It's not even sunny. You know, that's, you know, it's still overcast. The sun's shining somewhere, but it's not, there's no direct sunlight on that panel, right? 100 watt panel, and that's giving off 13 volts, which it can give off up 21 when it's really hot, sunny like. And the battery's 12 volts, which is about 13 volts, sort of safety barrier, right? So you can see that sunlight, just pure sunlight, or daylight, sorry, just pure daylight, right guys, is charging this battery 13 volts, right? It's only coming in at 0.11 amps, and when that's full that should go off automatically, so it doesn't overcharge. And I've got going through there a fuse, you see, that's a 10 amp fuse on the positive, 10 amp fuse. And there you go, that battery is being charged from daylight, not even sunlight. It's not even direct sunlight yet, I haven't even tried it in direct sunlight. And I'll be able to use that thing for 8 hours, you know, in the street. And if I'm on the move with the portable solar panel, that's me permanent solar panel for emergencies. Well, this solar panel got portables, the same power, puts out about 20 volts of energy. I've been doing the research, you know what I mean, and think about it, a 13 volt battery, 12 volt battery. And you can use them batteries for all kinds of things. They're just heavy, do you know what I mean? They're a bit heavy, aren't they? That's what they, you know, these lead acid it is, guys. Rechargeable lead acid, and they're about 15 quid in the shops, you know what I mean? Like, they're cheap, you know. The lithium ones are like lighter and more portable and probably more durable, they last longer or whatever, like, but you can get lead acid batteries really cheap now, guys. So anyway, that's my Busking revelation. Solar powered Busking amplifier on its way, and hopefully I can do some busking before the summer's end, or I don't know, autumn, when it cools down a bit. I don't know, guys, but I'm doing more research than anything, like. So there you go, you can actually charge a battery from sunlight, well, daylight. Look, it's not even sunny yet, and there you go, that's pushing out 13 volts. Battery's nearly full, look. All for this little fella. Okay. So any questions and comments below? And obviously I'm working on the bike batteries, 48 volts, you know, the electric trike. I've tried this on the bike battery, this gadget, this you know, controller, and it doesn't seem to work as it should, because it's the cheap one, you know what I mean. But electric bike, busking, tent, on the move, don't even have to come back home, you can charge everything from daylight. Alright, number one on the dog signing off. Thanks for watching. We might see you in a town near you soon. I'm going to Paris first. I'm going to play in Paris. See you later. Just listen to that. Daylight. Daylight. Power from daylight power. Unbelievable. Light. Thanks for watching.